If the fun from last night stole happiness from today, will eating certain foods help that hangover go away? The reason you feel like the morning after drinking could be due to a combination of factors. Dehydration and loss of electrolytes, disrupted sleep, stomach irritation, inflammation, and mini withdrawal, which may contribute to anxiety and restlessness. And listen, there's no magical hangover cure, but certain foods and drinks may help you ease your symptoms. Oatmeal is full of complex carbohydrates.
I'm so complex.
Which can help keep your blood sugar stable. Heavy alcohol consumption can deplete your magnesium levels. Just 1 ounce of almonds has 20 to 25% of your daily recommended value. Bananas are full of potassium, an important mineral and electrolyte. 1 medium banana has 9% of your daily value of potassium. Here's a healthy vegan recipe that incorporates all three. Another food that's even higher in potassium? Avocado. 1 avocado packs 30% of your daily value of potassium. Guac, anyone? Sweet potatoes are not only filling and delicious, they're full of magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A, which can help ease inflammation. Heavy drinking can impair folate absorption, but spinach, which has 15% of your daily value in 1 cup, can help you get your levels back on track. Don't feel like munching on raw spinach? Bring these foods together with this delicious tofu scramble breakfast burrito recipe. What's a hangover's kryptonite? Hydration! This includes drinking plenty of water the night before. Oh, you didn't do that? Okay. Here are some fluids to help you rehydrate. Whether it's vegetable broth or miso soup, the liquid sodium combo can help you retain fluids. Coconut water is nature's sports drink. It's full of electrolytes and can help you rehydrate your body. Feeling nauseated? Try some ginger to ease your tummy troubles. Here's a soothing lemon ginger tea recipe. And don't forget the OG of hydration. Water. Happy hangover helping.